Folks, the big iced tea taste test is history, and the clear winner is Louisiana. In Atlanta, it's Louisiana over Lipton, 65-30. In Birmingham, 67% prefer the great taste of Louisiana. Louisiana's secret? Louisiana just tastes a whole lot better. See how satisfying iced tea can taste. Final tally, Louisiana preferred 2-1. It's the clear winner.
Good night. Aloha, aloha, anuka, nuka, homa, homa, ha. A fond embrace, your funny face, until we meet again. Cha-cha-cha. Oh, hi, Officer Dibble. I'm going on a vacation. I'm going to the islands. I mean Oahu, Molokai, Maui, and... See you when I get back from my vacation, Officer.